Big Boss, did it add anything to your women empowerment?
जो बॉडी शेमिंग को लेके इतना बड़ा इशू बना था, दैट्स समथिंग दैट आई हैव बीन थ्रू,
Yeah.
बट मैंने कभी पब्लिकली वो वोकलाइज नहीं किया था उस चीज को.
You being somebody who is a lone child, like Loti औलाद, लेकिन इतनी strong, face people.
My nani,
Yeah.
I love her. She is a darling. She is one strong woman. Obviously, उन्होंने मम्मा को सिखाया है, मम्मा ने मुझे सिखाया है. So that has carried forward in our generation.
Tell me, Big Boss हो गया है, Jansul on Me is on the way,
Yes.
you know, all of that. Are you doing a song with Abhishek Bajaj?
We're best friends,
Yeah.
and you're best friends inside the house. We're still best friends, and we've always got in each other's back.
So what were the basic nuances that you remember your mother, telling you about how industry is like, what are the touches, Ashnu, you
Yes.
have to take care of?
I remember my mom sat me down and she taught me about good touch and bad touch, and I think that's very, very important.
Yeah.
I guess that's a very necessary conversation
Yes.
that every parent should have with their child, not just their girl child,
Yeah.
but even their sons.
Yeah.
Hi, it's Ashnoor Kaur, and you're watching me on Filmy Beat.
Every day starts with the new zeal and the feel, and I guess today is that day where again I'll be having somebody who will talk about how women have faced things, how your mother has taught you the feminine side of yours, I guess, and made you more stronger. Welcoming you to Filmy Beat. This is Mia Siari, and it is When She Talks. So tell me, you being somebody who is a lone child, like Loti औलाद, लेकिन इतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग फेस पीपल, मम्मा है या और मम्मा के भी मम्मा से सारे गुण लिए हैं गए हैं?
I guess it runs in the family for sure. My nani,
Yeah.
I love her. She is a darling. She is one strong woman. मतलब obviously उन्होंने मम्मा को सिखाया है, मम्मा ने मुझे सिखाया है. So that has carried forward in our generations. And I guess कहीं ना कहीं वही होता है ना, the kind of environment you brought up in, आप आगे भी वही चीज़ें carry forward करते हो.
लेकिन when you were a kid, of course, you were still working, so it was a different kind of surrounding that you had, apart from the normal kids that they had.
Yes.
Industry भी थी, काम भी था, और education भी थी, and you were growing as a girl.
Yes.
So a lot of stuff at the same time. So what were the basic nuances that you remember your mother, telling you about how industry is like, what are the touches, Ashnu, you
Yes.
have to take care of,
100%.
something happens, you have to tell me the first thing, tell me that.
That was, I guess that's a very necessary conversation
Yes.
that every parent should have with their child, not just their girl child, but
Yeah.
even their sons.
Yeah.
Because these days you never know the kind of intentions people have. So I remember my mom sat me down and she taught me about good touch and bad touch, and I think that's very, very important. कि आप अगर बस में भी आप
Yes.
स्कूल बस में भी ट्रैवल कर रहे हो, so how are you being treated by the other people around you? अगर आप सेट पे हो तो आप कैसे हो, आप कैसे अपनी बाउंड्री मेंटेन करते हो, कैसे नो बोलना है किसी चीज़ को. इनफैक्ट आई रिमेम्बर एक बार we were standing in a queue for some groceries, and पीछे एक बहुत ही decent अंकल थे और गलती से I guess उनका कुछ बैग या something brushed past me, and I shouted, and mom was like, okay, he didn't do it deliberately, it was something that happened accidentally, it was his bag. But she made me so strong कि कुछ भी गलत हो, थोड़ा सा भी आपको गलत लगे, you speak about it. And I was very young that time.
That transition to this one where you are now grown up and you have senses of understanding people, reading the room,
Yes.
gone to a Big Boss where you have seen the things, your papa came in, told you things, that is there. But now, how do you see life in general? Like, are there talks with your mama about marriage as well? Because of course every girl has this thing of getting married in a lavish way.
No, marriage is the last thing on my bucket list. Like I guess, हाँ ठीक है, होता है girls
It is the
में.
first thing in my bucket list, Ashnoor.
I know, and a lot of my friends also, but I don't understand how, क्योंकि मेरा थोड़ा different है. Like marriage is like the last thing. मतलब मुझे भी 10 साल तो I'm just 21. I have a lot of time. And मम्मा थोड़े excited हो जाते हैं कभी कभार that ऐसे करेंगे, and me and dad we just give her that look that अभी बहुत टाइम है, don't talk about, and dad also does not like these talks at home. He does not encourage them because he's like, she's yet to accomplish so much and she's yet to achieve everything that she's wanted to achieve. So let's, you know, talk about those things and focus on that rather than talking about something जिसमें इतने सारे साल हैं.
And Big Boss, did it add anything to your, you know, women empowerment? Maybe I'll call that. You know, where there कुछ था ऐसा which added you कि हाँ ये I guess was something I've never experienced, I've never seen. अब तो ये मैं अपनी लिस्ट में ऐड कर रहा हूँ कि ये एक मेरी अलग बाउंड्री सेट कर दी है.
See, I think a lot of time, एक जो इशू हुआ था बीच में, जो बॉडी शेमिंग को लेके इतना बड़ा इशू बना था, that's something that I've been through.
Yeah.
But मैंने कभी पब्लिकली वो वोकलाइज नहीं किया था उस चीज़ को. But that time I thought it was very necessary for me to do that. And I did that. और जब मैं बाहर आई और जिस तरह का मैंने रिस्पॉन्स देखा, जिस तरह के मुझे मैसेजेस आए फ्रॉम पीपल ऑफ डिफरेंट एज ग्रुप्स, फ्रॉम डिफरेंट वॉक्स ऑफ लाइफ, फ्रॉम डिफरेंट कंट्रीज कि we've also gone through the same thing. That's when I realized that this needs to be talked about more. There needs to be a safe space and people can vent out. Like मेरे पास supportive parents, supportive friends हैं, but not everyone has that safe space.
True.
So I've just recently opened a small community on Instagram. It's a new page. It's called Gentle on Me. It's about being gentle on yourself. It's about being gentle on other people also. Because you never know what silent battles people are fighting. So just a page full of positivity, full of body positivity.
So is it gonna be
self-love.
you only talking about it, or you having guests as well?
No, of course we'll have guests. Of course we'll have guests. But first, our focus is building the community,
Yeah.
getting the correct people, and then letting them get through other people's stories as well.
But like, you know, in general also when you go to set, it happens a lot, you know. शायद किसी के पास ज़्यादा पैसा है तो वो अपने से कम वाले को थोड़ा ज़्यादा हाई टोन में बात करता है या झाड़ देता है या whatever. So how do you deal with that situation? Like, what is your way? It's a bit turn off actually.
See, it's definitely a very wrong thing. क्योंकि everyone's there to do your own work and you're working towards a project. So I think अगर आप में ये morals ही नहीं है कि आप people से कैसे बात करो, then that talks about your character. In fact, I मतलब जब मेरी टीम होती है हम हंसी मजाक कर रहे होती हैं, we're traveling together, we're in the
Eating
same room,
together,
eating
yeah.
together. So that's how ये चीज़ें मुझे सिखाई गई हैं and that's what I follow.
And I guess that's also a safe space because when you know that they trust us the most,
Yes.
they always stand for you and with you.
Correct.
That is there. Tell me, Big Boss हो गया है, Gentle on Me is on the way.
Yes.
You know all of that. What else you have to touch upon? What is left?
There are a few things in the pipeline, and as and when they happen, you guys will know.
Are you doing a song with Abhishek Bajaj?
Well, there's nothing of that sort right now, but we would love to work together.
DMF, please, where are you? Anshul Garg, कहाँ हैं आप? Please देखिए ये video. But no, we would love to see both of you because there is a natural chemistry. There's no doubt about it. Of course, people name it love, people name it friendship. Whatever it is, it's just beautiful.
We're best friends,
Yeah.
and you're best friends inside the house. We're still best friends, and we've always got in each other's back.
And बाकी गौरव और बाकी लोगों के साथ सब अच्छा, सब
सब
बोले
बढ़िया है।
गिले शिकवे माफ.
अरे सब कुछ खत्म, शो खत्म,
पैसे
grudges
आए
खत्म।
अभी आने
अरे
हैं,
पैसे
sorry, अभी 90 days बाकी
पैसों
है.
की बात नहीं है ये मन की बात है
हाँ।
कि ग्रजेस खत्म यार, हो गया सब, आगे बढ़ो लाइफ में.
ठीक है. With that, thank you so much for making young girls sitting at home from the very small town, especially साडी पंजाब दी कुड़ियाँ, you know, they
हाँ
also, I guess in general every community that way. Haryanvis, I am a Haryanvi.
Oh.
मैं कदे I think that what if I would have been a girl, मेरे लिए कितना मुश्किल होता यार. Thank God, God made me a boy because I know the struggles how Haryanvis are. Nothing
Yeah.
against them, but in general the things are still there. So kudos that you did that.
Thank
For a
you.
lot of thousands and millions of girls we have in India. Last message to all the people,
I
especially
would
girls in
Just
India.
want to say that you're beautiful exactly the way
Yes.
you are, and people's comments should not affect you in any way. Yes, work on yourself. Yes, be the better version of yourself. But social media पे जो unrealistic beauty standards हैं,
Yeah.
उनसे खुद को compare मत करो.
With that, thank you so much.
Thank
Ashno.
you.